Are you one of those who think qualifying for CMA India is a Herculean task? Then this video is for you and all those who want to know more about CMA India. The CMA India is a prestigious qualification offered by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. The course enables you to begin a strong career as a skilled cost and management accountant with high salary packages. But who can pursue CMA India and how can one get started? Let's discuss everything you need to know about CMA India here. Those who have a 10th qualification can register for the CMA program. Candidates who have passed the 12th exams are qualified to appear for CMA Foundation exams. You must acquire an aggregate of 50% marks in the Foundation exam to be qualified. The distinguished exams of CMA India are conducted during June and December every year. The CMA India program is divided into 3 stages, covering various skills necessary for CMA Foundation, Intermediate, and Final. At the foundation level, you will be learning the fundamentals of cost and accounting, as well as the basics of law. You can complete the foundation level in a minimum period of 8 months. As you qualify for the foundation exams, you can enter the crucial level of your CMA India journey, the intermediate level. Imagine getting a direct entry into CMA Intermediate. Yes, you heard it right. You can directly enter the CMA Intermediate level if you are a graduate. Performing arts and music graduates are not qualified for this direct entry. Candidates who've passed the CAT Level 1 exam and those who've qualified CA Intermediate are also eligible for direct entry. CAT exams are the entrance exams conducted by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India for the CMA course. We'll be covering the details of the CAT exam in another video. Any idea on the topics to be covered during your intermediate program? Let's have a look at that as well. You'll be learning financial accounting in detail and getting an introduction to the concepts of direct and indirect taxation and cost accounting. You can successfully complete the intermediate program in 10 months. A CMA student is provided with 140 hours of skill training as part of the intermediate level. As intermediate level is the crucial level of CMA India, one must have undergone rigorous training throughout. That's where institutions like the Indian Institute of Commerce, Lakshya, come into the spotlight. With expert trainers and well-tailored study materials, students are provided with the best learning atmosphere. IIC Lakshya is known for creating financial leaders in the commerce professional world. Then comes the final level of CMA India. Those who've qualified for the CMA Intermediate are eligible for the final exams. Like CA, there is a 3-year articleship for CMA India. Of that 3-year articleship, one must attend 15 months of mandatory articleship period and additional skill development programs to become eligible to appear for the CMA final exam. If you've got the best guidance for the intermediate level, you can perform the best for the finals. What about the marks to be scored? Like that of CA, you must score a 40% mark for each subject and an aggregate of 50% for every level to qualify CMA India. Confused about choosing the right career after CMA? No issues. Let's have a look at that as well. The top job roles await you after completing CMA India are cost accountant, cost auditor, financial planner, finance analyst, corporate controller, and chief financial officer. These are just an overview, and the rest of the reputed ones are still on the list. The average salary a fresher can get after CMA India ranges between 6 to 10 lakhs. In conclusion, CMA India is your ticket to acquiring a high, recognized and rewarding career. We will be back with more detailed videos on CMA India in a while. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more insights on commerce professional courses.